everyone, I hope you're doing great. This is your favorite Asian guy back again with another interesting video. I am interested in US politics. I'm from Asia, by the way. I do reaction on political videos of US on the latest news, trending news. So if you're interested in my channel, please give your precious seconds to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I have a video today. Right now I'm going to react on it with the title Alina Habba embarrasses herself by objecting the evidence she introduced. Really interesting title. She actually objected her provided evidence. Really? Okay, let's see in the video what is in the video. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Here we go.
Now, for a long time now, I've been saying that I firmly believe Alina Habba is one of the worst attorneys in the United States.
Okay, one of the worst.
You may have a different opinion, but let me, if I may,
what is your opinion?
try to
Please tell in the comment section.
to get on my side of the fence by offering you this little piece of evidence from just this week. You see, when Ivanka Trump was on the stand on Wednesday, prosecutors started showing all these emails that she was sending, to people like Alan Weisselberg, where she was openly fretting, oh no, daddy doesn't have enough money to get this loan. What are we gonna do? And I mean, honest to God, though, with evidence like that, I don't know how she got herself dismissed from the trial. Like, she was involved in all of it. Like, that much is pretty obvious from the evidence. But either way, they're showing these emails to Ivanka, and they're asking her about her, and of course, she doesn't remember anything. God, how amnesia hits you once you walk into court is astounding. But then Alina Habba got a little mad, right? She doesn't like you showing all these emails to Ivanka. So at one point, Alina Habba objected to one of the emails that Ivanka Trump was being asked about by the prosecutors. She objected to it. And she objected on the grounds that, you cannot show this because this email was actually never sent. This was a draft email. It wasn't sent, so she didn't actually say these things. She was going to say these things, but she didn't actually say these things. Haha, gotcha, Alina Habba thought. To which prosecutors then had to say, okay, there's two problems with what you just said. First and foremost, Alina, if you look at the little date right here, that's where it was sent. See, it says sent. Okay, she did send the email. But more poignantly, Alina, you're objecting to evidence that your side brought to court.
Yes.
See, it turns out that these emails, these documents that the prosecutors were using to question Ivanka, they weren't from the prosecutors.
Okay.
They were actually from Alina Habba and Donald Trump's legal team. So Alina Habba objected to her own evidence.
Exactly.
I don't know that I've ever seen it. I don't know that I have ever seen that. A lawyer brings these things into court. Wait, no, object, no. That doesn't happen. That happens in bad movies where you're trying to show, hey, this is what a really stupid lawyer would look like. But it happened in the New York trial this week with Alina Habba. She objected to her own evidence. It gets a little dumber, too, when you think about the implications of that. As I have pointed out, I have worked in a law firm for over 19 years now, closing in on 20 years in a law firm. I have never, out of all the trials they've done, and this is a law firm, by the way, that has handled the biggest trials in the country. Think of any, they did the tobacco cases, for God's sakes, the asbestos cases, the PFAS, right, the C8, all of that, the BP oil spill. The law firm I work at did all of that. And every time they've got a case, do you know what they do? They go over every single word in every single document. There could be hundreds of thousands, there could be millions of documents, but they have teams, and everybody, multiple people, read every single word of every single document. Alina Habba clearly, along with the rest of Donald Trump's legal team, didn't do that. They didn't do that. She would have known that this wasn't a draft email and it was essentially a sent email. Not essentially, it was a sent email because it said so right on there. So they're sloppy with the evidence, with their own evidence. And that's why she had to object to it, because she didn't know what was in her own documents. When I tell you that I have never seen a lawyer do this, trust me, this is coming from experience, folks. a 20-year legal career that I've had. I'm not a lawyer,
How
but
can
I've been
she
in the legal
do
field
this
for
to
20
herself
years. And I have
and to
never seen
Trump?
anything that comes close to
She
this
literally
kind
objected
of
her
just
own provided
ridiculously
evidence.
stupid and embarrassing behavior. And yet every week, sometimes multiple times per week, Alina Habba comes out there and blows my mind by doing something even dumber than she somehow did the day before.
This was a video. What do you think? She's a dumb or she's a good lawyer for Trump? I think she's doing the dumb activities. The example is here. She literally objected her own provided evidence. So here is the interesting part of the video in which I pick up the comments from regarding this video. The interesting comments. The first one is, after he discards her without pay, she'll write a book telling us how bad Trump was. With Trump, you don't do that hard work. You just complain. It isn't fair. Okay, interesting comment. And they want this dude for president. Unbelievable. Are you a supporter of Trump or are you a hater of Trump? I don't know who you are. Please tell me about your opinion in the comment section regarding the current situation going on, current political situation going on in US nowadays. So that's it for today. Please make sure to subscribe my channel. If you are interested in my channel, please give your precious seconds to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet again. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.